4, 3, 2, 1, watch me.
I just keep elevating, no losses, just upgrading. My lessons made blessings, I turn that into money. They gotta never sit.
What is going on YouTube? It is me, your boy Jerron Akeem, and I am back with another video. And as you can see from the title, today I am going to be discussing my multiple streams of income. A lot of you guys have been asking me about what other streams do I have outside of working my 8 to 5, outside of being a Notary Loan Signing Agent, and I'm here to provide you with those additional streams of income. So definitely, if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. My name is Jerron Akeem. We talk about lifestyle, business, and we talk about multiple streams of income. So like I said, outside of Notary Loan Signing Agent. But today I wanted to focus on making passive income. So basically, this is money that I'm making while I'm asleep. Like literally, I'll wake up in the morning and I'll check all these streams of revenue. I'll check all these different streams just to say like, hey, this is what I made while I was asleep last night. So let's go ahead and get into the video, and here we go. First up we have is, of course, YouTube. So as you all know, with YouTube, yes, we can be monetized on the platform. So basically how YouTubers make money, or how we get paid, is the Google ads. Basically Google AdSense. So the ads that you see in these videos, that's how we get paid. Especially if you click on those ads, or if you click on the banner, we get an extra percentage. But as long as you watch those ads, that's how we get paid as YouTubers, aka content creators. So like I said, if there's anything you want to do, definitely support your favorite YouTuber. When you see those ads, like I said, that's how we get paid, and that's how we can reinvest back into providing these type of videos for you all. Because believe it or not, a lot of people don't know, like I said, I have a whole program software that I use, Adobe Premiere Pro, that I pay a monthly subscription for to edit my videos, because like I said, I just like doing it that way. And also I have a Canva subscription that I use to do my thumbnails and other things I use Canva for as well. So definitely support your content creators when you're watching the YouTube videos, because it's how we get paid, with you all clicking on the ads. But in order to get monetized on YouTube, last time I checked, they haven't changed it since when I last looked. But you have to have 1,000 subscribers, and then you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, believe it or not, having 4,000 hours of watch time it's like easier said than done. What I would suggest, and this is what worked for me when I was first getting onto YouTube and I wanted to become monetized, is I would suggest making your videos 8 to 10 minutes. Because if you're making between 3 to 6, 7-ish minute videos, that's not really working. But if you're starting to post great quality content and not just uploading, just say, hey, I just uploaded a video, then you're not gonna get watch time. But once you start posting good quality content, figuring out what you're good at, what do you wanna talk about, how do you think you can help people, I would suggest making those videos 8 to 10 minutes longer, because like I said, that increases your watch time. So that's just my 2 cents on that. Like I said, it'll be sometimes I'll wake up and, excuse boss in the background, you may see a video that went from like, I don't know, 5 views, and you wake up and you have like 1,000 views. It happens. Like I said, on a good month, I make between, I don't like discussing numbers, because I talked about this before with a friend of mine, just because I just don't like discussing numbers anymore. I used to, but now I don't. But just to be transparent with y'all, like even me, I have 6,000 followers, but like I said, I still have videos that I made when I first started my YouTube channel that is still rolling to this day, that's still making money off of. On a good month, make between $800 to $1,000. Now, like I said, that's just my channel. Every channel is different, because everybody has different RPMs and different things that, like I said, different audience. So definitely check out YouTube. That's a great another source of income. Second up we have is affiliate marketing. A lot of people sleep on affiliate marketing, but affiliate marketing definitely can pay some bills and definitely can make a lot of money out of. So as you all know, if you follow me as far as my Notary Loan Signing Agent journey, you all know I took the loan signing system course. So within that course, like I said, you get an affiliate link if you want to promote the course. Just tell people, like, you know, your review on how the course worked out for you. How, like I said, I tell everybody that course changed my life. So with that course, he does have an affiliate link program, and I will put the link in the description below. Definitely check out my other videos on the channel if you want to get into Notary Loan Signing Agent and all what that is if you're new here. But affiliate links outside of that, so I have my Loan Signing Agent affiliate link. I have a printer affiliate links. When I do these collaborations with brands and sponsorships, I get paid out on those links as well. And I also have my Amazon store, so definitely check out my Amazon store where I have like my products I use for a Notary Loan Signing Agent. But affiliate links can pay you out a lot. On a good month, the most I've ever made in 1 month, like hit my bank account from affiliate links, was about $2,000. But like I said, it averages, because like I said, you might have a month where people aren't using your links, then you might have a month where people are using your links. I would say the lowest, I feel like these last 6 months, the lowest payout I ever received was like $200 1 month. But then the following month, I got a $600 payout. So it fluctuates. It's not like set base. But that's also another stream of income that you can put into the pipeline as well. So if you know anybody that has a product or a service, just definitely ask them, hey, do you have any affiliate links, or anybody can partner with you if I show this to an audience, or just make money that way. So that's definitely another stream of income that you can look at as well, is affiliate links. And I will say a lot of the affiliate links that I use, or brands, or that I've collaborated with, has definitely paid some bills and some car payments. Just 2 cents on that. Third stream of income is sponsorship deals. So sponsorship deals is something I got into last year. As you all know, I was doing collaborations before, but those were free. You know, I was just taking those as to get my feet wet, you know, figure out how everything works. So if you know, last year I started working with Goalie. I did a printer sponsorship collaboration. I just wrapped up another one, I Buy Direct. I just did another sponsorship I have just got today that I'm doing with the scanner. So sponsorship deals, you can definitely make a lot of money. So collectively between all my platforms right now, TikTok I have 13,000 followers, YouTube I'm right at 6,000 followers, and then Instagram I'm right at 3,000 followers. So collectively, if I do a package or bundle where basically I'm advertising or doing your product on all 3 platforms, on a good month you can make between, right now, just because of following that I have, that range goes from $600 to $2,000 a month. And that's just on, you know, sponsorship, collaborations, even on YouTube. So if somebody comes to me like, hey, I would love to do partnership collaboration with you, if you talk about our product on YouTube, you know, what's your fee? So I'll tell them my fee. But me, I don't just take any and every sponsorship deal, because like I said, I just want to tie in how would it relate to my audience. You know, it doesn't make sense for me to say, you know, pick up, I don't know, I can't think of anything right now, but it's been some that I've got along the way. I had one for Boston. Like if I had a pet channel, yes, that would be different. I definitely did that, but my channel, it's not about pets. I'm about business, lifestyle, X, Y, and Z. So that was a sponsorship deal that I actually turned down, and they were paying like $1,000. But I just felt like it doesn't relate to my content. It doesn't relate to my niche, basically. So like I said, I don't take any and every sponsorship deal that comes my way. I take the ones that make sense for me, and then also make sense for my audience. So that's just my 2 cents on that. And a good way to get your foot in the door with sponsorship deals is basically reach out. Like I said, it's been brands that I follow on Instagram for the longest, and I'll just reach out like, hey, you know, my name is Sharon Akeem. I'm a lifestyle content creator, X, Y, and Z. I would love to partner with y'all. I've used your products before, or I would love to use your products and do an honest review on your products for you. And then 9 times out of 10, in my case, they'll send you the free product to review. And then once they do the free one and they get some feedback from that, then they may come back and offer you another paid collaboration or sponsorship deal. So that's definitely my 2 cents on that. And like I said, that in a nutshell is a lot. It's another whole stream of income that I knew about, but I was sleeping on it. So definitely check out sponsorship deals as well. Last but not least, so this is a new one. I'm still trying and working it out, but I thought I would bring it up because I have made 1 sale so far. So basically I started a Etsy store. So my Etsy is doing print on demand jewelry. So what that is basically I'm selling jewelry on Etsy, but I don't have the jewelry on hand. Like I'm not required to keep anything on site. So I'm still working through that, but I know there are other people, other content creators or other business people who have Etsy stores where they sell like other products like badges, t-shirts. It's just so much on Etsy that you can sell. So Etsy is another thing that I would tell people, like if you're good at stuff, if you're good at making t-shirts, or if you're good at making rugs, or you want to do customizable bottles, you know, cups, it's definitely becoming the new go-to site. I've even had my YouTube hoodie, if you all seen me, if you Odie, you know, I wear my YouTube hoodie, it has Sharon Akeem. I got that off Etsy. So, but basically, like I said, with my print-on-demand jewelry line, basically I sell jewelry. I don't touch anything. The jewelry gets made from a third party, then the third party sends it to the customer. I'm just the middleman. I'm just the person I'm actually creating the logos, I'm creating the backgrounds, I'm creating the greetings, the messages on the cards. I'll definitely drop my Etsy store in the link below, so if you guys want to check that out, if you guys want to support my Etsy store, definitely go ahead and make a purchase. Let me know. Like I said, I did have my first sale. She bought a watch and she got it. It was kind of cute. She bought a watch for her husband, and it was like his anniversary or something. And then she got their coordinates where they met engraved on the back of it, which I thought was really, really cute. So definitely check that out. I definitely put the link in the description below. You gotta check out my Etsy store. Feel free to purchase a product. I'm also in the pipeline of working on another Etsy shop. I want to go ahead and get into digital planners. I've been trying to do that since last year. I keep putting it off, but I said I'm gonna definitely get that done. So definitely check that out as well. Let me know if you guys like this video, if this was helpful, if I gave you some more insight. Like I said, I gave y'all ballpark numbers just because I don't like talking about my finances anymore on YouTube because of other things, bad things that have come up in the past from that. Definitely let me know if this video was helpful, if you enjoyed it. Definitely don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will make sure I put all those links in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of these, or if there's an actual stream that I talked about that you guys would like me to go in depth more about. I will gladly do that. So let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video, and peace.